competitors are doing it, and your professional sports organization doesn't give a shit because of the weakness of the testing program or total lack thereof. So in instances like that, I never came away saying that guy's an idiot or an asshole for choosing. I came away saying, I kind of get why he did it. If I was 21 or 22 years old and immature, I may have made the same decision. Now coming to our program here, where you have an organization that cares very much, that spends multi-million dollars a year. This program has done nothing for the UFC money. Costs us money on implement the program. It costs us money on canceling fights. Anybody who thinks moving this fight to California is at a financial benefit to the UFC is crazy. We're taking a...
I'm so sorry. I looked, I thought.
You alright?
No.
Physically, are you alright? You
No.
hurt?
No, no, I'm not. I'm shaking, but
Yes.
I'm not hurt.
Okay.
No. You want to get out on the other side?